I'm the realtor, Eric Corder. I'm excited to show you 5 things I love about my new listing at 14 Fox Hill Drive, right here in Parkersburg. Let's take a look. The first thing I love is this amazing living room. Look at the vaulted ceilings, look at the windows, look at the light, look at the space. This is just an amazing space to entertain or hang out or just enjoy. Let's go out there. The second thing I love about this house is this back deck. It is large, it is private, and it just puts you right at the heart of nature. The third thing I love about this house, and it's just right off the back deck, is this amazing backyard. A good portion of the backyard is fenced in for whatever you need. And then the land actually continues beyond the fenced in area for a total of nearly 1/2 an acre. Think about the serenity that comes from owning this. The fourth thing I love about this place is it is situated on a dead-end road, so it is very quiet, no through traffic. It actually butts up against the Johnson T. James Wildlife Preserve and City Park. Enjoy access to walking trails and nature, and know that this property will most likely stay this way for generations to come. And the fifth and final thing I love about this house, I'm going to take you back inside because I don't want you to miss this. It's a Dutch door. It's a Dutch door, you guys. A Dutch door. A Dutch door. What? It's a Dutch door. These are just 5 of the things that I think make this property unique. You just might want to come see for yourself.